Today we have to discuss about magnetic permeability and susceptibility. And that first we have to know about the magnetic permeability. So what mean by magnetic permeability? Magnetic permeability, the magnetic field lines can enter a substance. Okay, if you consider one substance, so the magnetic field lines can enter from this substance. Okay, so this is called as a, so the magnetic permeability of this substance means this substance can enter or this substance can conduct the magnetic field lines. Okay, so the conduction of magnetic field lines of a substance is called a magnetic permeability. And also in other words, we have to, these are the magnetic field lines, we have to call it as, and this one is the material. Okay, and also magnetic permeability can define, in other words, the magnetic permeability of a substance, it is the ratio of the magnetic induction, magnetic induction, or nothing but a, you have to call it as magnetic flux density. Magnetic induction nothing but a magnetic flux density, the number of magnetic field lines per unit area. So the magnetic induction to the magnetic intensity, magnetic intensity I have to take it as H, the magnetic induction I have to take it as B. Okay, it is the ratio of magnetic induction to the magnetic intensity is called as magnetic permeability. Okay, in general meaning you have to call it as magnetic field lines passing or enter to a substance is called magnetic permeability. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ನ ತನ್ನ ಒಳಗೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಯಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಯಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ in other words, ratio of the magnetic induction to the magnetic intensity. So the magnetic permeability is denoted as mu. So mu equal to B divided by H. Okay, so mu equal to B divided by H is the magnetic permeability, or so the magnetic induction ಏನಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. So B is the magnetic induction, H ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ B equal to H mu. Okay, is the magnetic induction. So next, the SI unit of this magnetic permeability is Tesla. So SI unit B is magnetic field, you have to, SI unit of magnetic field is Tesla, and the magnetic intensity is meter per ampere. Okay, Tesla meter per ampere is the SI unit of the magnetic permeability. Okay, and in this magnetic permeability you have to take another one concept, that one is the relative magnetic permeability. What mean by relative magnetic permeability? It is the ratio of the ratio of the flux density of material to the flux density of vacuum. So flux density of material you have to take it as B, and the flux density of vacuum you have to take it as B naught. So relative magnetic permeability, you have to take it as mu r equal to B divided by B naught. Okay, so B divided by B naught. Here we got the B value is h mu. So h mu divided by B naught value is h mu naught. So h cancel, the remaining term is mu divided by mu naught is the relative magnetic permeability. So relative magnetic permeability, it is the ratio of the flux density of material and flux density of vacuum. You have to take it as flux density of vacuum. Next we have to discuss about the magnetic susceptibility. Magnetic susceptibility, it is the property of a material, a substance which can, how much a material will become magnetized in an applied magnetic field. Okay, so you have to take one substance in a applied magnetic field. This is the magnetic field lines. You have to take a substance in that magnetic field lines. At that time this substance will be magnetized. So the degree of measurement of that magnetized substance is nothing but a magnetic susceptibility. Means this material, how much it will be magnetized. Okay, that measurement is nothing but a magnetic susceptibility. Andre ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ನ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಾಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೈತಿ, ಸೊ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟೈಸ್ ಆಗೈತಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಸಸೆಪ್ಟಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಸಸೆಪ್ಟಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿನೋಟೆಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ JM or XM. It is denoted as XM. And in other words also it is defined as, it is the ratio of the magnetization. It is the ratio of magnetization is M to the magnetic intensity. So magnetic susceptibility is M equal to XM divided by M magnetization and magnetic intensity. And magnetic susceptibility also, it is the ratio of the magnetization and ratio of the magnetization to the magnetic intensity. And this magnetic susceptibility, it has no in it. Because it is just a number. Okay, this is about the magnetic susceptibility. Nothing but which can show how much a material become magnetized. How much material become magnetized when you take into the magnetic field lines. Okay, so external magnetic field. This is the magnetic susceptibility. Okay, generally we discussed here. So the magnetic permeability and magnetic susceptibility. Magnetic permeability, it is the number of field lines enter into the substance. Generally the number of field lines enter into the substance, or in other words it is the ratio of the magnetic induction to the magnetic intensity. So the magnetic permeability is denoted as mu equal to B by H. Okay, this is magnetic permeability. Also discussed about the relative magnetic permeability. In the relative magnetic permeability, it is the ratio of the flux density to the material to the flux density of vacuum. So B by B naught, we got the mu r equal to mu divided by mu naught. And last concept, the magnetic susceptibility. In general meaning of magnetic susceptibility, so the material, how much the material become magnetized in an applied field. Okay, in other words, it is the ratio of the magnetization m to the magnetic intensity h, m equal to m divided by h. So you have to remember magnetic susceptibility is denoted as xm and the magnetic permeability is denoted as mu. So the magnetic susceptibility, it does not have a unit. It is just, we have to show the magnetic susceptibility in a numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, like this. Okay, it is shows in just numbers, but the magnetic permeability having a unit Tesla, ampere, meter for ampere, Tesla, meter for ampere. Okay, this is about the magnetic permeability and magnetic susceptibility. Thank you.